Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today, that is on July 25th, 2021, CMA Institute has released a notification about the examination dates, that is rescheduled examination dates of June 2021 cycle of CMA Inter as well as final examinations. Of course, they have released the schedule of CMA Foundation exam also, but in this video I am going to confine to CMA Inter and final examinations. In another video I have covered about CMA Foundation exams. Now coming to CMA Inter and final examinations, they are scheduled to be conducted from 21st of October to 28th of October, and so these examinations will be conducted group 1 on one day and group 2 on another day. That means group 1 and group 2 examinations will be conducted alternatively. So on one day group 1 exam and on the next day group 2 exam, after that once again group 1 exam. In this manner, group 1 and group 2 examinations will be conducted on alternative days, and examination timings will be CMA Inter morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m, CMA Final afternoon 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now the most important question is, what will be the mode of exam? Will it be physical exam? No. The examination will be conducted in center-based online exam. Center-based online exam means the CMA Institute will tie up with some examination centers where they have large number of computers. For example, some MBA college, some engineering college, there will be a computer lab. So CMA Institute will tie up with such kind of institutions. Students should go to that examination center and write the exam. Of course, examination will be in online mode only. Sir, how the exam pattern will be? Don't worry, very soon CMA Institute will release some more details on how the pattern of examination will be. Most probably it will be similar to the pattern of examination which they conducted in January 2021. Anyhow, very soon CMA Institute will come up with some more information on how the examination pattern is going to be, and will they ask MCQs only or will they ask a combination of descriptive and MCQs, etc. Of course, in January 2021, CMA Institute has given the option of home-based exam also. That means student can choose whether they want to write the exam from home or they could attend the examination physically in an examination center. That's called center-based exam. But in this attempt, that is the examinations to be conducted in October 2021, they removed the option of home-based exam. Now they have given only one option, that is center-based exam. Even though it is center-based exam, we need some more clarity whether they will ask MCQ pattern of exams questions alone, or will they ask combination of MCQ and descriptive questions. With this respect, there is no perfect clarity. Let's wait. Definitely CMA Institute will come up with some more information. All the best.